Alright, welcome to another Starreign demo. I'm going to apologize in advance for any lagginess. It's usually not laggy when I'm running it as just the game, but when I record, it's slower. So, it's a bunch of new changes for Starreign. The first is we have a new mouse icon. So exciting. Um, I like it, it looks cool. Apart from that, we have a new ability bar menu. So each of these different things is an ability, and it's obviously dynamically picked from the abilities on the character. We got our health bar and our energy bar. An energy bar is used to determine abilities. So we're going to try an ability right now, and as you can see, when you click, it'll show you the range that you can cast your ability at. So I'll show you that again in a second because it was kind of fast. That's the ability. So as you can see, it shows the furthest I can cast it. And I'm kind of curious what's going to happen. It should have just said out of range. Oh, it's just exploding in the air. Okay, but it shows you how far, what the range of the different respective abilities are. So for example, if I wanted to cast that one, it's a bit glitchy, but the range is much farther. Anyway, so this is one ability bar. I have these are kind of wizard abilities for the Sciomancer, and these are some other soldier abilities. These right now just let you shoot more. So this is supposed to be rapid fire, so it lets you shoot 4 times, 3 times, 2 times, 1 time per round, which is pretty good. Um, anyway, so I'm very proud of this menu, and especially the other menus you're going to see in a second. But here we have the console window. It used to be down here, but I moved it up here so that they kind of complement each other. They're not sitting on top of each other. And this shows you all the previous information I had pointed out. Uh, just the stats, the damage that's going on in the map, and so on and so forth. Anyway, so that's that, and we have, wait for it, a much cooler, just general menu. I'm gonna move because it looks like the camera is kind of going up and down. Um, so we've already seen all this stuff before. So we got the overview of stats and so on. We have feats in the corner over here with a slider. So these are like abilities that you would pick on level up. We have this. Oh, this is new. Skills is new, I think. So we used to have statistics and encyclopedia. So all of these have had a makeover, and I think they look pretty cool. We also have our character sheet now, which it's kind of basic, but you can actually equip items now. So we can equip armor, and in the case of weapons, I'm going to try and show you. In the case of weapons, currently you might be able to see that, no, don't fall. He's not wielding anything. But we can give him a sniper! And he's now actually got a sniper, as you can see. And it actually functions as a sniper. And right now I only have one other one, which is the rifle, which is a similar looking weapon, but it's slightly different. Um, anyway, so that basically covers that. The armor, probably gonna add a tooltip, but the armor right now it adds stats, but you can't really see. So I'll have to include maybe on the corner here what stats you're getting from the armor. So we had statistics. We skinned everything. I think this is new skills. So skills is kind of like this menu here that shows you all the feats that you have, but it gives you a description. So you can actually go through these and see what they are, what they do, what their damage is, and so on and so forth. Just really useful information. And over here, I'm going to add some other skills related to miscellaneous skills, not actually like feats or abilities, just things like persuasion rank or whatever, whatever abilities I happen to pick. So far that's the menus, which I'm extremely proud of. Um, And I'm just going to go ahead and show some of these other abilities. I'm going to have to deactivate the wizard first, though, because you may have noticed in the corner there's a wizard. He's a little bit OP. So I try to get him out of here whenever I want to test something. But we have our armor that gives us DR 4, and we have our rifle. Anyway, sorry for the yawning. I'm just gonna show, if it's not too laggy, I'm just gonna show one of these abilities, which is just he shoots a whole bunch. That's pretty much it. So let's pick a soldier, and when we get in range, let's pick this one instead. All right, here we go. See, energy went down. Ooh, missing all the shots, but shooting nonetheless. So these are just kind of different ranks of the same skill, and it doesn't seem to have been very effective. So we're just going to use the OP as hell wizard skill instead. Not a wizard, Pyromancer. I'm going to call it a wizard for now since it's basically what it is. It'll be rebranded later. Oh, looks like we managed to fire the ability right as we died. Well, I think that basically covers pretty much everything. It's been a lot of work, especially these menus. My god, our menu is just a freaking nightmare, but it looks good, and I'm rather happy with it. The other thing I could show is the main menu, which I guess I could show it. It might sound really weird because it has some audio in it. I think what I'll do is I'll make another video after that actually has the main menu just as it looks and how it sounds. Um, but for now, I just want to show you guys what it looks like because I actually worked on this as well. So main menu. Here we go. Looks kind of pretty. Nice background image I bought from Getty or something, one of those image places. Got a super dope song, but I'm not sure how the mic is, so not gonna go on about it. And yeah, that's pretty much what I've been working on. I think it's starting to look like a game. And for anyone who's been following, which I imagine there's not many, but any current or future followers, thanks for watching the video. And take care. Stay awesome.